Hey everybody, it's J-Ball, Blue Days Outdoors. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing video. I've been getting quite a few different orders from Tackle Warehouse. I've been buying a lot of my stuff recently from them. They've been having some really good deals and some really good sales, and I wanted to stock up on a few things. But what I want to do first is, I've obviously already opened this box, but I wanted to kind of give you guys a review, first-hand review of the highly anticipated Slobber Knocker. So I actually have been using this white one and a pink version. I also picked up some of the black and purple, it looks like. I'm trying to figure out what this color's called. This is the BL Special, okay? And then there is the white one as well. So, you know, first impressions, I was able to use this at ICAST. You know, got to throw it around and actually talk to the guys that were actually using it, or that helped, you know, develop it, and really impressed so far with the action of it. I did dip it in pink spike it dye and was able to catch a few fish, and I'll actually show you some of those fish catches here in just a second. No big bass yet, a lot of northerns. Northerns love bladed jigs, obviously. But what's kind of unique about the Slobber Knocker is this through the head design. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's got this through head design. And what that does is it actually creates quite a bit of action, but it also helps this Slobber Knocker go through the grass really well. That is one thing that I like about swim jigs, especially fishing reeds in northern Michigan, is how good they go through, or how good swim jigs go through reeds. And this does go through grass pretty well. I haven't had a chance to throw it up in northern Michigan just yet, but I will hopefully soon. I have been able to use a Slobber Knocker a little bit, but yeah, I'm really impressed so far with it. The sound, the action of it. And then also, it does accept the pink spike it dye pretty well. I did use the blade dye on the blade, obviously, itself, and then the head, and then just on the rubber skirt itself, I use the just the normal spike it dye. You do have to break apart the skirt here a little bit. It is kind of pressed together, which is, you know, totally fine. No big deal there. But yeah, really impressed with the Slobber Knocker so far. This is going to be probably my go-to bladed jig here in the near future. So again, I picked up some of those. Not sure what's in this box. It's going to be kind of a surprise for you and for me. So let's see what is in this box. All right. Oh, we know some more Slobber Knockers. Imagine that. Oh, no, we got some swim jigs, some swim jig heads. So I picked up these. These are the Fusion swim jigs. I got some 4/0s, and so these are going to be for the paddle tail swim jigs, whether I put these on a rig or just throw these for big smallmouth bass with Dylan Gruff from Extreme Outdoorsman this fall, and then hopefully this coming up spring as well. And let's see what else I got. Oh, I got some of the paddle tail swim baits. So these are the power swimmers. I got the 3/8 and the 3/3. So I got the little bit shorter version for my chatterbaits and my A-rig, and then I got a little bit bigger version, but I can promise you these are going to get dyed pink. So I picked up 2 different sizes of these to go with my swim jigs. I will buy the swim jigs pink as well. All right, let's see. I think I maybe even got some smaller one. Nope, some more 4/0s, more 4/0s. Yep, more 4/0s. So I got a bunch of the 4/0 swim jig heads, so I'm covered there. And let's see what else I got. Oh, so, maybe some more 4/0s. Did I order that many 4/0s? I thought I might order some 3/0s too. I ordered the right ones. Tackle Warehouse never messes up, so I ordered the right stuff. So underspins, something that I need to throw some more of. I know a lot of guys have been having some pretty good success with them. I haven't thrown a ton of them, but I did pick up 2 of the 3/8 outs underspins as well, which I'll probably put the paddle tails on. Again, dip these in pink spike it dye, of course. And oh, the I got some of these Burke Gulp paddle tails as well. So haven't tried these out yet, but these have got the gulp on them, so these are super wet already. I don't know how well these are going to accept the dye, but I had to pick up a pack of those. Actually, 2 of them. I got one for white and then one for chartreuse for smallmouth. So hopefully I'm going to do a little bit more smallmouth fishing this fall with Dylan, both in Lake St. Clair and then also in northern Michigan. And last but not least, I did pick up more of these little troopers. So big shout out to Benjamin Nowak He was using these up in northern Michigan, catching some really big smallmouth. And obviously you guys hopefully have seen the video. If not, I'll leave the link to the video that Dylan made of him and I catching some absolute giant Lake St. Clair smallmouth on these pink little troopers. So a little bit of an unboxing, kind of a first look, first opinion about the Berkley Slobber Knocker. Really super impressed with this. You guys know I'm a huge fan of chatterbaits. I've been using bladed jigs and chatterbaits for quite some time now. And there's a couple different ways to fish them, which I can get into in a future video. But you know, these have been really versatile. I really didn't start catching a ton of fish on these until probably, I think it was not last fall, but the fall before last. Took a little bit of time to get some confidence built up in them, but I have a rod specifically just for bladed jigs now. So hope you guys enjoyed this really short unboxing video. And again, a first look at the Berkley Slobber Knockers, which I'm super impressed with so far. But again, thank you guys for all your support. If you guys like these kind of videos, leave a comment. If there's any kind of other unboxing videos you want me to make, just let me know. But again, I cannot thank you enough for all your support. And remember, the easiest way to change your attitude is by showing gratitude. Thanks, and we'll catch you in the water next time.